Christmas time. Isara. Look at the Christmas tree. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Cheers! Kaya ba ito may babik? Guys, it's Christmas time. So of course we will pack everything with I bought na the everything here, and then I'll pack today because I want to set up my Christmas tree with gifts. That's it. I give you my heart for the very next day. You give it away this year. Okay, guys. Oh, wow. We bought this, guys, sa Kwanzaa DIY. And then, Irvin is setting up the Christmas tree na because I am currently, this is the progress. Iya pa ning ang gifts. Wala pa ako, ah. Wala pa na na-touch. Oh, kaning samok. Wala pa should. Okay? So, yeah. That's what we're gonna do right now. That's it. Okay, bye. By the way, it's December 14. Me and my college besties will be having a Christmas party. So this vlog, guys, this vlog is how I spent my December. Every happening in my December. Aside sa like Hong Kong Disneyland. So all the Christmas parties that I'll be in, you will see here. I'll bring this with me today for our party. So yeah. I'm gonna meet them in IT Park and then mag-dinner somewhere. I forgot the name. But yeah, that's it. I prepared their gifts na. Pero, I don't know. Ako po sila bugal-bugalan. Ako ibutang sa bake house para mag-feel sila na bake house. But it's not. So yeah, that's it. See you later. Goodbye. Okay, this is the fit, guys. I'm gonna wear 1-inch heels lang. That's it. Bye. Hi! We're in Sukarat, guys. Gikan mi kuan, guys. Gikan mi photo booth. But right now, hi! With my besties. This is gambas, guys. This is like complimentary only. This is like very small na croquetas. So yeah, that's it, guys. Like steak. So let's taste this. Oh my god, it's so good.
Guys, legit, it's not for the sake of vlogging. It's really true.
Let's try the chorizo, guys. Gosh, oh my gosh, man. So good. Thank you, Lord. Oh my god. So guys, okay guys, are you ready for the taste test? Dai, wait lang, Dai. Let's try sweet.
Like fashion.
Oh my god. My favorite, guys. You know this is my favorite. If you know me, you're my best friend. Noodles is the best. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Thank you. Jangan. Gina. Init, uy. Ay, sa kanin. Guys, we're gonna eat. I don't know what's this. What's the name? Souffle. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, go ahead. I'm so excited to try it. Spongy. I love it. Day, siksik lagi kayo mo, Day. Asa mo, Day? Mga borikat sa carbon. Asa mo, Day? Day! Hello, guys.
Sa airport, pakibuglog sa airport.
Uy.
Bugnawan dito sa pag-air. Bugnawan na if mag-air ka na.
Hello, we are in guys, we are in Dot. We are in a speakeasy. And we ordered, look, tingnan na ni. Same as amaretto. Kaya kita ko guys, silang gigamit Disaronno, diba? You know me as an amaretto girl. I love Disaronno guys, so oh my gosh. This should be good. I think I tried this before na, diba? Remember me and my best friends, like sila Ate Mai, we went here. It's so very nice guys. Like mingaw guys siya. Like it's giving, diba? Nag-picture pa si Ngaj and si Rue.
Girl is very handy. More people will try.
Eyes? Hand cream. Face? Hand cream. Ay, sige, go. Yes, guys. Give us dry skin. Mag-iyong na lang eh. Sige, ito.
Ito na ako, mag-review na, nag-dry tayo ko sa bilang.
Why? Ay, sige na lang. Sige, close our eyes na. Close our eyes. Sige na. Okay. Excited ko.
Really tayo.
Close our eyes. Okay. Dali, guys. Pagdutin ko, ano?
Hi, dry lips.
Hello, I like it.
Yes,
Okay, thank you, Rue. Oh my God.
black cherry, perfect.
Lip balm.
Kanis, magamit giniling niyo because mag-travel man na kaya dili niyo mga palit-palit yung mga chichiburik share.
Wala, kawawa na. Travel. Dili. Kano galing mga sudlanan? Oh, sige, close our eyes. Okay.
Dili, ako na dili kay... Okay.
I like color.
Nalam ni ko Korean.
Wala, sige, go.
So, over.
Thank you, guys.
Yes. Diba, pili lang mo ko sa ani inyong ganahan. This one is body scrub and body lotion.
Pasay na sa airport.
Oh, okay lang. Hani kay hand cream and kuan. Sige lang. Hand cream and kuan. Thank you, guys. Panawa sa mga anak. Nani body lotion and body wash. Alright.
Guys, from
Uy,
Ngaj,
ito kami,
sa
ayaw ba?
Ingat. Ito ang ani. Bensya. Grabe, Bensya pa nag-create. Hello. Okay. Pwede siya or kung ano naghapon siya for essentials naghapon siya. Pero mag-lisod ka, kung ako, maiko ko mo gamit niya kay cute kay siya. Cute kay siya. Okay, close your eyes na, close your eyes.
Pero si mga puro niya.
Ingon ko magamit essential for your hands. But it's a cute lang siya ha. Pag cute lang siya,
Gomit eh. Ay, mo ba? Ano yung ano?
Yun, kaya nang ibang order.
Ang gamit niya siya.
Asa?
Gamit niya ko siya for everyday. Siguro pwede siya everyday. Correct.
Everyday?
Di ba gamit? Basta gamit siya.
Okay.
Sige, gamit
Ano
siya.
ba nakagamit?
Sige na, guys, ha?
Dapat tayo makaguess.
Nalagay plastic.
Correct, mura ka ng
Uy,
squishy.
bubot! Palusok mo. Ay, white.
White.
I love it. Papalit ito kung hindi pa niliwas na lang. Yay!
Ano, grabe ka essentialist.
Correct.
One more. Thank you.
Salamat, sir. Thank you so much.
This is it. This is everything.
Ay, tama.
Thank you so much, guys. Hello guys, it's December, what's the date? It's December 19. I'm gonna meet Jewel. I'm waiting for her. I'm currently in Punch right now. So yeah, mag-date me. So yeah, that's it. I'm waiting for her. She's near na daw. But this is Punch, guys. Look at that. It's so aesthetic. It's so cute. Cutesy cute. Naabot na siya ay asa ka na siya sa nga nang gwapa man kay na siya, guys. Nag-wake up. Asa di ka agi, uy. Asa di ka ni agi. Taka-taka lagi ka gagi. Bako lagi ka. Wrong ka na. Wrong ka na akong decisions in life. Hello guys. I'm with the bestie.
Dito sa na yung mukha.
Dili ko. Ang kay malubat. Kita ka na mag-charge.
Apin din na sa.
Yeah, apil mo na siya sa, you know, bubugay siya sa, anong bubugay na siya, guys? We have our coffee na. She got Spanish sub oat. And then I got pistachio latte. So, I've tried this for like, I think, this is the 4th time, guys. So, I can attest to the yumminess of this. Yumminess! Food is here na, guys. Look at this, guys. Oh. Papicture to na. Kuya, pwede ba picture? Hey guys, Christmas shopping. So after our lunch with Jewel, nakita kami ni Herb sa SNR to buy drinks for Christmas and for our Christmas party and for his birthday. Okay guys, it's been a long day. I'm currently now in the debut of my cousin. So yeah, with the family. I don't know if you can see her, but she's there eating. No? You can see, no? She's there. Hey guys, it's December 20. It's Urban's birthday, so we went to the church. We went to Santo Niño and his kuya, and then right now we are in Seaside. We're gonna eat in Casa Verde. That's it. Isa ra. Nadagan mo kay mo try. Grabe asad niya gunita. Di man natin nodler di kaya pa na yung
Aga sa MC.
Hello guys! So it's Christmas Eve and we're gonna go to the other house. Other house na ang tawag, guys. Dili na mi diri. OMG! Ato sa tanawon, guys. Kaya magdugan na may gadto. Ay, so pretty. So sexy. This is the outfit check here. I'll do an outfit check there. Okay, that's it. See you there. Goodbye. Hey, look at the Christmas tree. I love it. Lancy, hello guys. So good. Gonna eat na because we're hungry. Lancy boo boo. Lancy boo boo. Look at yourself, Sabi. Oh, Lancy, what's up? Hi everyone. Hello everyone. Is that Lancy? Is that Lancy boo boo? Is that Lancy boo boo? Sayo po gani sila? No. Hey, hey. Hello guys, we're super late. Like our dinner is at 7. It's already 8:30. I'm with my best friends. Best friends. Let's go na guys. We're super duper late guys. So we really need to go fast. Hello my darling. Uy, nag-makeup ko doon actually, 'di ba? Pagkita na to, nagisindot bang ka darling? Oh my gosh. Let's eat. Bon appetit.
Hello, sino mo itong kamera? Dugis niya ni sa cheese.
Ay, dahil na to. Time lapse ito, time lapse. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone! Hi, Chera! Merry Christmas, everyone! Kapoy naman ni sila, Darls. Kapoy naman, Darls. Guys, the food is so good. So if you wanna come here, come here. Merry Christmas! Hello guys, we're going to.
Hello guys!
Magdali ko, mag-CR ko.
Nagko na hirap na yun,
Yes.
Hungon
Hello
siya ako. Wala pa na siya
guys.
ka-skin.
We're going to drinks na. We're going to drink.
Ano yung mag-skincare?
We're going to kuan na.
Sa Starbucks.
Somewhere.
Somewhere.
Give you everything you
Oo. Di, gilumot daw. Gilumot. Gilumot siya. Gilumot. Wala na po ako. Go.
Pero ba talaga ito?
Merry Christmas. Oh my God.
My color is purple. And my item is so be ready. Ready? Get set.
Uy, ginawa ko ni.
One, two, three, go!
Dali, uy. Dapat yung set namin.
Mapyong, mapyong. Ikaw, talikod!
Hindi ka kusugo!
Try siya. Gamit sa puti.
One, two, three, go!
Hello guys, I'll open the gift from my friends. Okay, let's start with Sam. Oh, I love it! I love it, huh? Okay, thanks. From Jishamay! Oh, I love it! Talaga siyang budget! Happy skin, guys! I love it! Thank you, darling! And then for myself. Okay, let's start. Kita na na, oh! Earth, nice guy ni Earth! Oh, nakalain! Kasi ako na, guys!
Ikaw dyan na,
God, I love it! I know. And then, this one, guys.
Mag, nasad.
Lalo lagi mga lapil na sa vlog. Isang nagkamot.
Oh, I love it! Nakita na ko!
Ano yan? Uy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
It's ready, Harry!
Okay, and the last part is from Vietnam, guys. Thank you for myself. Thank you. Thank you, Sam. I love it. Cute na nerves. Secret.
Kakagrabay ha! Oh, di ba?
Para sound. Hello guys, welcome to our reunion. Tayo, Sam. Hey. years pa di ay? Kakalang ka do. Pagbata day ni mo. Wala pa day ni nani. Ano sa Merry Christmas? Eh na ba Merry Christmas?
Hi, Merry Christmas to all of you.
Okay. Na Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Oh, everybody.
Ala, nasakpan.
Both dili na to ipatakalamay ha. Naara kayo.
Dili lang karon hangtod sa inyo sa atong mga apo, sa mga apo. Welcome na tong tanan sa ato ang Kabasang Milenyo.
Thank you so much, Daddy. Okay, our family and forever.
Muhilog. Awa, muhilog. Lo.
Bisag, ako man niya wala ba?
Silikon. Na.
Pagano na kihapon natin. Kanya itong mga silo na mga igago. Sa una, kay salo naman din ako. Kinahanglan Judy. Kung ninyo ha, ipadali yung ninyo. Bisa kung sa inyo itapo, kamaya itong mga ipangataw ko sa ato, Judy, ipadali yung ha. Okay?
Okay. Good food. We love. Merry Christmas again.
Sige nga nang kunag ingong. Yan kanya anak ko na.
Lain naman sa nga kamera.
Hi da. Sama na.
Lang ka diraday. Sama na. Pak. Yeah. Mana? Magsorry sa ko. Ah, si Luca. Sige, sa mami, be. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! Merry Christmas!
Okay, very good, very good.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. Ang tanong, di ko son. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! Wala ko tanong ni tatay. Usa naman tay. Something funny. Okay, ready? Oh, tayo. Dali! Uy, di ba punta mo, no? Usa naman, no? Ano, ano? Uy, si tatay!
Nani.
Music, maigo na si Lucas, si Juan Juday. Diba? Kesa, dandan. Dandan. Zaira, Salim.
Printer.
Yes, I do. I love my manito. Yes, I do. I love my manito. I love my manito, but I won't tell you.
Hey! Makalingkod na ka, makalingkod na ka. Ari sa katungan. Uniqlo, Uniqlo.
My manito, yes, I do. I love my manito. Yes, I do. I love my manita. Yes, I do. I love my manita, but I won't tell you.
Gitsa, gitsa, gitsa. Ay, 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 soy good, soy studio. Okay.
Murag kahit mong hindi yata din.
Very, very.
Okay.
Surprise, surprise.
I love my manita. Yes,
Uy,
I
gawin
do.
mo!
Moto mo na, oy!
Yes, I do. I love my manita. Yes, I do. I love my manita, but I won't tell who.
So, Open! Open! Yay!
Janet.
Jalen!
Unsa na? I love my manito, yes I do. I love my manito, but I won't tell who.
Nana.
Nana. I love my manita, yes I do. I love my manita, but I won't tell you. Yes I do. I love my manita, but I won't tell you. Ate Sia.
Sia! Manita free! Open! 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 Yay! Open! Luka! Uy, akpil! Ay, darabi ka, Luka! 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 Pinanganak ko! Ano next? Manita, yes I do. I love my manita, yes I do. I love my manita, but I won't. I do.
I love my manita, yes I do.
I love my manita.
My manita, but I won't tell you. One word. Let's go back.
Bye. Sino naman?
Shine! Yes, I do. I love my manita, but I won't tell you.
Yes, I do. I love
My manita, but I won't tell you.
Pili! Hoy, duha mo! Duha! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! I love my manita, yes I do. I love my manita, yes I do.
I love my manita, but I won't tell you. Manito, yes I do. I love my manito, yes I do. I love my manito, but I won't tell you.
I love my manito, yes I do. I love my manito, but I won't tell you.
My manito, yes I do. I love my manito, yes I do. I love my manito,
Yes, I do. I love my manito, but I won't tell you.
yes I do.
I love my
Manita, yes I do. I love my manita, yes I do. I love my manita, but I won't tell you.
Sandra. Hey, manita, yes I do. I love my manita, but yes I do. I love my manita, but yes I do. I love my manita, but I won't. Exchange.
Sorry.
With somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Are in. Okay guys, this is their menu. We ordered sangria for our wine. And then for our food, we ordered 2 paellas. So paella negra and paella iberica. Yeah. And then we ordered croquetas, gambas, and everything else. I think. Pan. Go, Novi. Okay. Yeah. Cheers! Dilawid, ayun. Food and drink. Let's help. Okay. Ikaw na? Tara. Ready na? Ready. Share lang. Share lang. Okay. Okay, go. I love it. I love it. Color. Color. Sige, mine. Okay, yours. This is from ano guys? Another country. Kailan sa tataya? Furnace. Nakana budget kayo. Nakana budget kayo. Biha na guys. Oh my God! Thanks for the fun. Thank you. Thank you, sister. Ay, baka na. Oh, ano siya? Okay, change na po. Oh, sige. Ay, oh, cushion powder. I love it. Ano ba cushion ka? Ano ba ito? Abili na lang. Kasi hindi ka nang ah, okay. Very good. Please, lagi ka ba sa girl? Papa. Kamu ba sa ngayon? I love it. Useful. Good for me. 1 week. 1 week. 1 week. Grabe, 1 week. Useful siya. Gusto sa baby? Nandito ko kayo. Ay, nalabag-close natin. Ay, really mo dapat next time. Okay. Open. Ay, wow. Gamit niya siya. Diba? Nakon siya guys. Side gun. Pagbat na mo yung side gun. Gagmay na ako guys. Ako hindi ko remember. Kaya naratumbaw. Minimalistic. I love it. May bagay sa budget. Guys, opening na guys. Hindi carrot. No to kasi. Yan ang ka friendship. Wala kayo mga cousin. No to kayo cousin. Franco, thank you from Star. Thank you from Star. Okay. Close na close. Ano siya? Something useful. Something to remember. To remember. Okay, nag-order mo na. Go. I love it. Ay, so makeup brush? Yes. Pretty brush. Pretty cool. Yung ko ano siya. Pwede na yung sa yung mga side table. Pwede na yung mga flower. Flower. Bright flowers. I get one. Ooh, this is our setup. We're gonna put the plates in a while, but yeah, that's our setup. I am getting ready. Urban is getting my best friend, so that's it. Uy, balik sa musuot niya. Balik. Oh, yung reaction. Wala ko ng picture. Okay. Wow. I love it. It's so hot na. Patay dyan ni Ron. Mapisik ni Ron. Uy, I love it.
Ano ang tinadar?
Ma-pressure niya. Di ba manibot ang butter? Uy, di ba manibot na
Wala pa man!
Balik pa man kayo.
Ano ka?
Balik pa kayo.
Tama ko, B!
Balik na natin.
Uy, oy, paman. Duroy, sakpan ay sakpan. Sikaon. Pak. Ah! Nandutan niyo yung home video from our Christmas dinner in 1997. Hi kids, this is your mom. Go na, di mo. Gamao, maglaban ko ni mo gamao. Di ko kabao, uy. This is your mom. Hey. Mom, daw mentos, oh. Ganana sa mom.
Hi kids! I'm your action dog!
Seryoso ka na rin niya, eh.
Ako biya!
Oh, so daw.
Bilang ko ng hi kids!
Okay, hi kids.
Hi kids! This is your auntie, Mai.
Hello. Ikaw na. Ikaw sa'yo na sa hi kids.
Hi kids!
This is your Anchi.
Auntie?
Ikaw sa Anchu.
Money mo ma... Ang nga dullness niyong gusto? Medium rare? Perfect na siya medium rare.
Kwa herbs.
Pila ko medium rare. Or rare siya. Pila ko rare. Mumyaw, bumuto man na. Sa daw. Gusto ko pumayo.
Bugnaw na gining sugana. Napachili trick pan.
Tara na nga.
Lot like yeah.
Nakita na sa vlog.
We are in Silver Sari store, but you cannot see it. But this is the front, and then you're gonna move here, and then thank you, Kuya. Welcome. It's so cute, guys. Like it's so aesthetic. Like aesthetic. Wow, I love it. It's so cutie, right? Di lang ka ba umabli? Kuya, pwede may pa-picture kuya? Hey guys. Trisha may got margarita. I got amaretto sour. And what's yours?
Mine is mojito.
Ay, mojito. Aesthetic kaya. Love it. Cheers guys. Hindi nyo makita.
Cheers!
Merry Christmas everybody! Merry Christmas everybody! This is Ariana Grande. You know, taste us.
Lami ako.
Lami ako amaretto.
Paitay. Naparehas na lang ito. Okay naman, gano'n naman.
Hinahinay lang mo eh. Kung gagadali. Timing nga eh. Hello guys!
Ma. Ari na lang katrabaho ko. Na security. Na naman si
Minute ni kabayo ni Dira. May iban kabayo daw Dira.
1, 2, 3, teacher.
Nagsama tulo ba? Bakang na.